Hail to the king, baby. Whack. Whack.
Whack. I can see why it's beeping.
So it's just a little bit of hail.
Yes, a little bit. That's great.
Do you like the hail? Yeah? Is it fun? Hey, it's a video, right? It's not
I thought you took a picture.
a... No.
Oh.
Just posing in front of the video camera. Like I'm going to take her picture. Well, it looks like it's slowing down now.
I want more
Some
hair.
little rivers out there.
I want more hair. Oh. How long is this gonna go on?
Oh, as long as it takes.
Yay.
Why don't you go run around in it?
Oh no.
Come on, go ahead. Run outside.
Seriously?
Yeah, seriously, run out in the hill. Don't you think that'd be fun?
No.
Why not?
I just like watching it.
You don't think running around the hill would be fun?
No.
Why? What do you think would happen?
When a giant one will come down and hit my head.
Yeah? Yeah? Do you think that would hurt Lainey?
Uh-huh.
A lot?
Uh-huh.
Mm. You got a pretty hard head, though. Would you say I'm okay?
No.
Show me how you go I'm okay.
I'm okay.
Nice. Looks like the hell's over now.
Oh. Can I see the video of the hail?
Sure, in a little bit.